Hello guys, welcome to Assist Blogger Academy. In this video I'm going to be reviewing Jumblebox UK so you can understand how Jumblebox works and how you can do your registration fast. So when you want to do your before the registration, let me quickly review the site for you. When you go to Jumblebox website address, there will be a link to the website in the description that comes with this video. When you go to the address, you meet yourself in this page. And it says, finally, a platform that allows you to earn for watching video adverts. Jumblebox is an advertising agency that is in partnership with Instagram. So in a simple sentence, what they do is that they provide their registered users videos of advertisement from top brands globally. So when you watch that video, you get paid for doing so. But don't forget, you do not get any money if you don't watch that video. Now you can, this is the link to log in if you already registered. This is also a link to register if you are coming in as a new member. And the video here is an example. This is a video by Coca-Cola. The video of an advert by Coca-Cola. When you watch it, you get rewarded $5. That's an example. And he said, watching adverts is annoying. Let's pay you to do it. Earn up to $100 watching short adverts on Jumblebox. And the Jumblebox team highlighted problems users face. 1. Internet users see around 4 to 10,000 advertisements per day. And according to research by Forbes. And 95% of people consider advertisement to be either untrustworthy, distracting, or annoying. So it's also according to a survey by Inc. magazine. There's one stat that also say advertisement also suck up to 79% of mobile data every day on the average, according to another research by technology blog Tech Debt. Those are the problems people online faces. So also the problem businesses face are 1. Because of the problem people faces, people tend to ignore advertisements, something behavioral scientists refer to as banner blindness. So people do not act on adverts as they used to the past few years. And he also said in 2016 alone, business lost an estimated $1.4 billion due to banner blindness. That's a huge lot of money. And what Jumblebox is doing is they are coming in to help business solve these problems and also to help users make money while they act on advertisements. The solution from Jumblebox. Jumblebox shows you advertisements you want to watch and they pay you for doing so. Jumblebox advertisements are not annoying because they are extremely short and tailored to your preference. They are short and concise, go straight to the point. And once more, you get paid for the trouble. You get paid up to $100 per day for watching ads on Jumblebox. And also for business, Jumblebox makes sure your advertisements have high impact and saves you a lot of money. The era of customer being blind to your advertisements are gone. That's a promise. If you'll be running your business on Jumblebox, that's one of the promise you're getting from them. And also another point is in 34 out of 150 businesses, they started the products and Jumblebox provided brands benefit increase of up to 46% and saved up to 28% in net advertisement costs. What does this cost for you, sir? You can join Jumblebox for free. But when you join for free, without making any upgrade in your plan, you won't be paid to watch video and you won't have access to to the videos. And for the business, cost of putting an ad on Jumblebox range from $200 to $100,000. You can see the brands Jumblebox are promoting. There are some of them and hundreds of them. Now to do your registration, when you click on register link here, it takes you directly to the registration form here. It takes you directly to the registration form, and you see this that Obimbe Sunday invited you to Jumblebox. Says I will receive an upgrade if you create an account with us. So when you use my link to register, I will surely be rewarded. So it will also help me to make sure this channel, this blog ranks more and serves you better. When you fill your form, you enter your full name, enter your phone number with your +234 if you are from Nigeria. Use the country code, then enter your country, then your password. When you do that, you click on create account. Before I go to the registration page, I would like to show you the plans on Jumblebox. The list of the plans on Jumblebox is the starter plan, which is $10, and from the $10 you earn $1 daily. The next one is basic plan, which is $20 subscription plan, and for it you earn $2 daily. The next one is max plan, which is $50, and you earn $5 daily. The next one is pro plan, which is $100, which gives you $100 earning daily. And the next one also is gold plan. That comes with a subscription fee of $200, and also gives you $20 daily earning. Platinum plan, the subscription fee is $500 and you earn $50 daily. And the last one, that is enterprise plan. Excuse me. That's the subscription plan for the enterprise is $1,000 and it gives you $100 daily earning. But note, you can only get paid. You can get paid if you watch the video. Withdrawal will be done automatically after watching the video. I mean, withdrawal will be done automatically. The payment gateway Jumblebox uses is Bitcoin. So while doing your registration, before you can upgrade, you need to connect your Bitcoin wallet to it. So use your Bitcoin to make the payment for whatever plan you can afford, and then your withdrawal will also be made to your Bitcoin wallet. So that's it about the plans on Jumblebox. And to do your registration, all you have to do is enter your username, your full name here. For example, Abdulsari Johnson Emmanuel. Let me put Abdulsari Johnson. Phone number 542. Let me put a normal phone number 21512442121. And your country, this I'm from Nigeria. Your password DS@2021. Then you click on create account. When you click on create account, it will take you to the your account is registered successfully. Take you to your dashboard. As you can see from statistics, Jumblebox already has 470,000 users, and in the past weeks it has 36,000 users. You say your current plan is starter, but you need to upgrade, and to upgrade you can just click to upgrade to higher plan. And also there's a notification here that says when you invite your friend to use Jumblebox, you get $1 each from anyone that register and upgrade this your plan. You get $1 each. And before you can watch video, you must upgrade your plan. And for this starter plan, to subscribe to this starter plan, just click on subscribe. But before doing that, make sure you already have your Bitcoin wallet in place and loaded with at least $10. If you want to use Bitcoin, if you don't have a Bitcoin account before and want to use Bitcoin wallet, I advise you go to your Play Store, install Nuno app. If you are from Nigeria, install Nuno app. When you set it up, you get your personal address. So when you get your personal address, you'll be able to fund your Bitcoin wallet. When you fund your Bitcoin wallet, during that process, you can make sure you'll be able to make use of Paystack. You can use Paystack to fund your Bitcoin wallet on Nuno app. Once that is done, you can come back here to make your upgrade. So when you click on subscribe, it's supposed to say the success notification. But because this account do not already have, then to do that, you say you requested a subscription of $10. Make a deposit to complete your subscription. When you want to use a Bitcoin wallet to pay, click on this ring of code here. Say click to copy. Click on it. Then go to your Bitcoin wallet. You will know how to use your Bitcoin wallet if you don't already know how. Paste this code. To follow that process is easy to do. Then make the payment. When you make the payment, this subscription will automatically be upgraded. And when it is upgraded, you will be able to watch your videos and make your $1 daily. And if you want to refer, you can see there's a guide there that can guide you to share your referral link. This is your referral link up here. You can share it on WhatsApp. And this is your profile. You can log out. You can copy your referral link there, and you can see the plan you are on. And to update your account details, just for easier withdrawal of payment, just enter your Bitcoin address here, then update. When you enter your Bitcoin address, click on update. It will automatically be updated. And then when you watch the video, your earnings will be paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet, to be paid immediately. So guys, that's the short review about Jumblebox. And if you are worrying if Jumblebox is legit or another scam, I'm glad to tell you that Jumblebox is super legit. Actually, Jumblebox is it's not an agency, it's not an advertising agency based in Nigeria. It's a UK based company. So you don't have nothing to worry about. All they do, in short, when you go through it mathematically, what you get daily is you get 10% of your investment daily. You get 10% of your investment daily, and you get 200% monthly. So that's it about Jumblebox. If you want to join Jumblebox, the description that comes with this video, there's a link to register, and there's a link also to read the review on my blog. If you are reading this, if you are watching this video on my blog, that's cool. Get started with Jumblebox. Start making at least $1 daily. And if you're buoyant enough, you can subscribe to the max plan and be making $5 daily. When you make $5 daily, multiply by 30 days, that's $150. You know how much that is in Naira. So don't forget to join, and don't forget to share this video and the article that comes with it with your friends. See you at the top.